What if I told you the flower of a banana tree is hiding one of the most underrated food ingredients on the planet, and most people have never even seen how it's processed? Today, we're going inside a factory that's been doing this the old school way for decades. Welcome. What you're looking at right now is a banana blossom processing factory, and trust me, this is nothing like the clean, automated facilities you're used to seeing online. Banana blossoms, also called banana flowers or banana hearts, are the large, dark purple teardrop-shaped buds that grow at the end of a banana cluster. For centuries, they've been a staple in South and Southeast Asian cooking. But here's what most people don't know. Getting this ingredient from the tree to your plate is an incredibly labor-intensive process. In this factory, workers wake up before sunrise. The raw banana blossoms arrive fresh, still firm, still layered, still holding that deep maroon color. And from the moment they come through that door, the clock is ticking. Every single blossom has to be stripped by hand, layer by layer.
Looks good.
The outer petals are peeled back, the inner core is carefully cleaned, and the tiny florets, those pale, delicate finger-like pieces you see in restaurants, are separated one by one. No conveyor belts doing this, no robots, just skilled hands moving fast, the way it's been done here for years. The smell in this place? Earthy, a little bitter, distinctly raw. It's the smell of real food production, honest, unfiltered, and nothing like a supermarket. We're just getting started. Over the next few minutes, we're going to walk you through every step of this process, from arrival to final packaging. You're going to see things happen in this factory that will completely change how you think about that can of banana blossom on your shelf. So don't go anywhere, and if you're already finding this fascinating, drop a comment below and let me know. Have you ever eaten banana blossom before? I'd love to know. And make sure you stay locked in, because what comes next is where it really gets interesting.
Thickness is consistent.
Good. I'll increase the speed.
Confirmed. Monitoring continues.
Temperature stable at 95 degrees.
Copy that. Timer at 45 seconds.
Confirmed. Maintaining.
All right, now we're deep inside the operation, and this is where it gets real. Once the blossoms are stripped and cleaned, the florets go through a soaking process. Workers submerge them in large vats of water, sometimes salted, sometimes with a mild acidic solution, to stop them from browning and to pull out any bitterness. This step alone can take anywhere from 30 minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the batch. Look at the color change. When they go in, the florets are almost cream white with a slight purple tinge. When they come out, they're pale, soft, and ready for the next stage. After soaking, the florets are drained, sorted, and inspected by hand. Anything too tough, too dark, or damaged gets pulled out. Quality control here is entirely human, no machines making these calls. Then comes the cooking or blanching stage, a quick blast of heat to lock in texture and neutralize that raw bitterness completely. This is what gives processed banana blossom that tender, almost meat-like consistency that's made it so popular in vegan and vegetarian cooking worldwide. From here, it's either packed fresh, vacuum sealed, or canned. Each method changes the shelf life and texture slightly. The canned version you find in stores, it started right here, in a place exactly like this. Old school, rough around the edges, but the process works, and it's been working
Line speed
for a
holding steady
very
at
long
45
time.
per minute.
Intake is clear, loading the next batch.
Good. Monitor for any pressure drops.
Will do. Seals are holding strong. Confirmed. No issues with integrity. Okay, this batch is ready.
Great. Sealing this one now.
I'll grab more bags.
Okay, let's keep the pace.
These are done. Next.
Got it.
All right, bring it back steady. Looking good, keep it coming. Okay, stop there. Ready to unload. All right, moving in, watch the edges. Got it, keep it steady. Clear on this side, roll it in. On the rollers, pulling now. Good, strap it down tight. Done, next one ready?
Ready for departure.
Straps are secure. All labels checked, we're clear to close.
Straps are tight on this side.
Doors coming closed now. Good work, let's roll out.
On the dock.
All clear, good to go. Thumbs up, safe trip. Thanks, see you next run. Engines on, heading out.
And that is the full picture. From a raw banana blossom hanging off a tree to a clean, processed ingredient sitting on a shelf or fresh in a market. What looks simple on a plate or in a recipe has an entire world of labor behind it. Real people, real work, real craft. Factories like this one don't make headlines. They don't go viral. They just quietly keep doing what they've always done, feeding the rest of us. And that's exactly why videos like this matter. Because when you understand where your food comes from, you stop taking it for granted. If this gave you a new perspective on something you've eaten, or maybe something you've never tried but now want to, I'd genuinely love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Tell me what surprised you most. Tell me if you've cooked with banana blossom before, or share this with someone who has absolutely no idea this flower is even edible. Every comment, every like, It tells me you want more of this, more raw, real, behind-the-scenes looks at the food processes that most people never see. And I have a lot more of them coming. So if you haven't already, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe, because the next factory we're going inside, you're gonna want to be there for it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.